I'm sure you've heard the buzz about bees, but did you know these mind-blowing facts? Fact number 1. A single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in just one day. That's like a tiny flying marathon runner ensuring plants get the love they need to reproduce. Next up, bees are the unsung heroes of our diet. They pollinate about 75% of the world's flowering plants, including over 130 types of fruits, veggies, and nuts. Imagine a world without apples, almonds, or avocados, all thanks to these busy bees. Ever heard of the waggle dance? Bees perform this groovy move to tell their buddies where the best flowers are. It's like an insect GPS ensuring efficient pollination. But wait, there's more. By pollinating a wide variety of plants, bees help maintain biodiversity. They support ecosystems that sustain life on Earth, making them true biodiversity boosters. And finally, honey isn't just sweet, it's also medicinal. The honeybees produce contains antimicrobial properties that can protect plants against diseases. Talk about a sweet deal. Bees, small but mighty champions of nature. Let's give them the buzz they deserve.